Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have what you need: power, the Google Home device, and the Google Home app. First, plug the device in and wait until the LED indicates setup. On your phone, open the Home app and tap Add, then Setup Device. Choose New Device and pick the home location. This tells the device where to register. Once done, the app will look for the speaker. Keep your phone within a few feet so Bluetooth discovery succeeds. When the app finds the Google Home, it confirms a code on the device. Verify to proceed. Next, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. This is how the device will route voice commands and updates. Make sure you grant the app Bluetooth and location permissions so it can configure network settings automatically. If you have a captive portal or enterprise Wi-Fi, use a standard home SSID. Otherwise, finalize setup by assigning the device to a room, enabling voice match if you want personalized results, and linking music or smart home services. Then test connectivity with a simple query, so you confirm audio, account links, and internet access. If setup fails, reboot the Google Home and router, then forget the network on your phone before retrying. Make sure you try the other Wi-Fi band if your router uses both. That single reboot resolves most network handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.